Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back. And it continues 3 days of Halloween. And today I got a figure from Cinema Fear, Leatherface, from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, I've been really excited to open this guy up. It looks amazing. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this figure, reviews, and just real happy to actually get this guy opened up and share it with you guys too. Let's check out a little bit of the toy itself and its packaging. Leatherface includes chainsaw, mallet, bone knife, bucket of gore, and real clothing. Real sinister. There's a little story they're talking about the figure and Leatherface. If you want to read that, get back. So he looks real cool, dirty, messy, bloody, big, scary. Everything I want in Leatherface. Let's get him opened up and see everything. I'm excited to see that chainsaw. Let's do this. Here we are, back with the gore master himself, Leatherface. Look at that. Now, first opening him up, he's made like almost like it was a little too fragile. Like if it's like not full solid, like plastic all around. You know what I mean? Like kind of echoey. But because he's so light, he's not so bulky and heavy. But it's actually very nice. It's very simple. Joints just swivel. They don't go up or down. They just swivel right to left. Right to left, as you can see here. That's it. That's what you get from a leg. When you do the twist, 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 do the twist, twist. So yeah. Arms, same thing. They just rotate that way, or whichever way. Wrist also. The chainsaw is a little bit hard to put on due to the fact, it's brand new, plastic fingers wrapping around. This hand is more opened up, so it's easier to put stuff in it, but this hand's a little bit more closer, so it's definitely a challenge to get the chainsaw in and out. But other than that, it's good. Head can go 360 degrees, up and down. Goes that high, that low. It's really cool. I love it. The clothes is real, like it says. Look at all the details in his arms. Like you see the muscles of his forearm, indentations like hair, blood, veins. You see it all. Something that's really cool too is if you actually open his shirt from the back. See that? So I'm sure the rest of his body, if you were to take all his clothes off, he's pretty scarred up. But I ain't gonna touch him that way. I don't want to end up being one of his casualties. So the clothes is really cool. It's all bloody. It feels real. It's nice. Pants also. The boots got blood on them. Let's take off this chainsaw and show you some stuff. So there's that. Same with the wrist. Arms can go up so high. That high and down. And back. He's got clothes on, so be aware of that. that kind of limits him. Same on this side. There's a little bit, only not as high over here on this side. Also can go all the way around, but don't want to. Wrist also. Leg swivel, like I said. And his foot kind of move a little bit, but not too much. His waist, I can try his waist a little. It's very limited from his clothes, but he can twist. Hey baby, wanna buy me a drink? Pretty cool. The chainsaw's what I love. It's so sick. Fuck, look at that shit. Mallet. Busting stones in. Dum, dum. A bone knife. It's another really nice one I like. It's so sick. And the bucket of gore. The bucket of gore. So that's the stuff he comes with. That's his bone knife. His mallet. His mallet and a bone knife is ready for battle. And he stands at 9 inches tall to the top point of his hair. 9 inches. Here's a 6.5 inch Batman standing at his side. Makes him look puny. Look at that. Puny. You're not so big now, are you, bats? So he does stand at 9 inches tall. And Batman is your average 6-inch figure, 6.5. And just to show you guys, let's get a bigger figure. Like Hulk. Let's see how he stands. Just about the same size. Pretty sweet. So yeah, like I said, I was definitely so excited, like, to open this guy up. And he works great with his tools, with his accessories. He works great with his accessories. They fit him all great. Have no complaints. Everything's meant for him. I love that. I love when a toy's made. You know, it's made for itself. It's not like, oh, this could have made this better. Like, they knew what they made, and he could definitely work with his accessories and his stuff, and definitely works out with him good. No complaint. I mean, it would have been cool if you had like more articulation. You can definitely move his legs, prop him up straight, or stuff like that. But I mean, can't do much from his legs. That's all it is. But he's awesome. He's awesome the way he is, and couldn't be happier. Let me know what you guys think. See if you guys have one. Any cool pictures you guys have. You guys want to show me. That's what I'm really excited for. I'm excited to take tons of photos with this guy. I'll probably have some Halloween photos going on Instagram on Halloween. I can't wait to do that, and just make them come to life, you know, along with all my other figures, and have a lot of fun with this guy. Bring a lot of work in. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and tune in tomorrow for 2 days of Halloween. and the new figure that we'll be showing will be tomorrow. Can't tell you, but what I can say is you're in for a scare. So please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, if you don't like it, I don't give a damn. Whatever. And leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Take care and have a happy Halloween. Peace.